Welcome to Introduction to Research tutorial. In this module, we discuss different types of research approaches. Remember, research is a science. To be considered as viable research, a study must be conducted systematically and logically so that it can stand up to examination from peers in the field and be given the opportunity to form part of the body of knowledge. Therefore, the approach taken to scientific investigation is important. The research approach is the way in which we decide to conduct the study. Many things determine the approach taken to conduct a study, like what you want to achieve or your interests, resource availability, the nature of the study, research experience and skill, advice and direction from peers, personal perspectives or preferences, and access. It is highly unlikely that someone embarks on a study which does not interest them. Research is very much like advocacy. You will pursue issues which are, in your opinion, important. If you are interested in research which deals with deep internalized human emotions and human experiences, the approach will be designed to attain those objectives. Similarly, if you are interested in trends and changes in physical states, your approach will be designed to meet these objectives. Resource availability also determines the approach taken in research. Resource limitations include financial limitations. Even Elon Musk has a budget for his SpaceX projects. Time limitations. All research is time-bound, and as the world changes rapidly, the relevance of research comes to an end quickly. The nature of a study is also important in determining its research approach. Studies with a subjective focus are qualitatively distinct from studies with high objectivity. The skill of the researcher is also an important factor in determining the approach taken. We should not embark upon things which we cannot successfully complete, so plan properly. Many times, research advisors direct towards preferred research approaches, sometimes for political and/or opportunistic reasons. If there is a move towards increasing a particular corpus, then researchers will be directed towards doing studies in that tradition, approach, etc. Other times, researchers stick to the approach preferred. Access to support and services in particular research approaches can hamper the use of diverse research approaches. There are various ways of conducting research to meet objectives within the constraints faced by the researcher. Research approaches include, but are not restricted to, quantitative methodologies, qualitative methodologies, and mixed methods methodologies. Quantitative methodologies adopt an objective focus approach to science. Qualitative methodologies adopt a subjective approach to science. Mixed methodologies use both quantitative and qualitative methodologies to different degrees. In conclusion, the approach taken to research is important and depends on many factors like resource constraints, skills, and preferences. Three major research approaches are qualitative, quantitative, and mixed method approaches to investigation.